Hello, my dudes. Rob from OpenSourceEV here, and today we're taking a look at another updated product. These are version 2 of the Aux Cup Holder, and they're designed to improve on V1 in a few different ways. Let's take a look at the door model first. The front door model of the Aux Cup Holder has two improvements to it. First and foremost is it's shorter. And what this does is it mounts the cup holder higher on the pocket of the front door. This brings it closer to your arm by about 1.5 inches or so, and it allows you to grab your beverage out of it easier. The second part is actually in the rear section of the mount here. You notice how it's angled in toward the front section? This essentially creates a pinch point and secures it onto the pocket of the door better. So when you remove your beverage out of it, the cup holder itself stays put better. Let's take a look at the center console version next. The center console version improves in pretty similar ways. Number one is, again, it's shorter, which brings the mount higher up, closer to your hand. Number two is it has bracing on it, which makes the cup holder more secure when it's mounted on the center console rail. Installation of both models is exactly the same as the previous version. They are available to order today, and they will start shipping later this week. Pricing is reduced as well. These are now $15.95 a piece, down a little over $1 from the old version, due to each requiring less material. The rear seat version continues to be available as well. Again, this is Rob from OpenSourceEV. Thanks so much for watching this video, and we'll catch you again in the next one.